Good morning. Woo! Come on, Holy Spirit. Woo! Yeah! Let's go. Good morning. He woke you up. Woo! Come on. Yeah! All gas for Jesus. Woo! Come on, Holy Spirit. Yeah! Woo! Man, I'm excited. It's Wednesday, hump day. Let's go. Let's keep this tempo all day. Woo! Jesus is amazing. Prayer is real. Holy Spirit can help you out today. Come on, Jesus. Woo! Man, touch my brothers and sisters in a way today where they cannot deny you. They start running around and start telling other people about how great you are, Jesus. Woo! Man, I get excited about this. Woo! Let's go. This is so real. And he has the same waiting for you if you just allow him to touch your heart. Woo! Get you some of that first thing in the morning. I love you. He loves you. Woo! All gas for Jesus. Let's go. Woo woo! Safety meeting. And then let's go spread some heaven. Woo! Good morning, y'all. Go get it. He loves you. I love you. I know I keep saying the same things, but man, sometimes when I get super excited, I just say the same things because he's so amazing. Woo! Go get him.